Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable debug logging for ads on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. Next, go down and tap on privacy. Now scroll down and then tap on other privacy settings. Then tap on ads. Then scroll down and tap on enable debug logging for ads. So tap on the toggle button if you want to enable or disable debug logging for ads. Tap on the confirm button here to switch it on, or you can simply tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.